Greetings to all law school alumni advisors. This video introduces the Law School Advisor website, Speakers Bureau, and Solo Practice Incubator, explaining how to enhance law school alumni employment statistics and improve the law school's ranking with U.S. News and World Report. The Law School Advisor website, Speakers Bureau, and Solo Practice Incubator can be a tool for alumni advisors helping recent graduates who have not secured employment, and also help older alumni who are exploring a new career path. I'm available to speak at your law school to provide concrete guidance on the fundamentals of starting a solo law practice. Now that's a win-win situation. Lawyers become their own boss, and the law school alumni statistics are enhanced, and law school rankings are improved. I'm your host, Robert Schaller, an attorney with over 35 years of experience and a registered certified public accountant. I'm also the author of the 500-page book titled Law School Advisor's Resource to Starting a Solo Law Firm, with the subtitle Exploring a New Career Path. I also authored the 6-volume treatise titled Schaller Bankruptcy Masterclass, Practice System, and Toolkit. All these books are available on Amazon.com, and I anticipate providing a free copy of the Advisor's Resource Guide to your law school upon request. Now, as you know, a law school alumni advisor serves as a vital linchpin between the College of Law and career success. Advisors are committed to maximizing job placement. Alumni should view law school alumni advisors as their partner in their professional development, especially those alumni exploring a new career path or re-entering the job market. The Speakers Bureau was designed for alumni advisors to help guide recent graduates and older alumni to a more fulfilling career. The Speakers Bureau and companion website and Solo Practice Incubator were expressly designed to teach alumni how to start a law firm and to provide substantive skills that can be marketed to needy clients who will pay legal fees. This website shares my 35-plus years of legal experience and offers tips on starting a law firm in the current legal environment. I provide concrete guidance about issues I wish somebody had taught me before I started my own law firm. Now, please consider offering a seminar or webinar to alumni who are encouraged to start their own law firm. I'm available to speak live at your law school or present remotely by Zoom. Together, we can help alumni reap the rewards of their intensive legal training while simultaneously enhancing the law school's alumni statistics, a win-win situation. Thank you for listening, and please contact me to schedule a seminar and receive your free copy of the Law School Advisor's Guide to Starting a Solo Law Firm. I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you very much.